Too late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drives.
Roll up to the greatest show in the world.
Lights, camera, action!
Paul's decided to set a few fireworks out. There's a lot of these boxes hanging around, so I don't know what these do. And I think he's gone a bit rocket mad. Another box there. All these are rockets. Another box here. Another box here. I think they're all too bloody close. Boxes, 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 rockets. Look at the size of this thing. Looks like a woman's toy. I don't know what these balls are. I ain't got a clue. But there's boxes. Look, look at the size of that box. More rockets. And we got this thing. Whatever that does. There's a few. Trisha's setting the bar up. In here. Oh, she's all about pies. Oh, so we've got the bar, which is already set up. And we do have a small selection of beers as well. You got a TV if you need be. And also, there's going to be doing pie and peas, which is free as well tonight. Very good of the caravan park owners. Excellent. Couple of burning bins. All the old rubbish and wood hanging about everywhere. Paul's setting a couple of gazebos up. He's playing with his barbecue. He's going to heat the pies up in that. It's one of them pellet smoker barbecue things. Steak pies and mushy peas, I believe. So, we're going to enjoy it. See what we get on camera later.
Anyway, all welcome to Paul's Bar. These are the Pughs. Look, and everybody thinks that the Pughs are the best.
They are? I am.
Guess what? They ain't met Paul. And in the bar, I went away and I brought my wife a lovely present. See that? It's the biggest thing she's ever had. She ain't used it yet. But honestly, when you see it, it's unreal. Trisha, you used it, didn't you?
Yeah, I had a go.
Yeah?
You're supposed to point in that talk.
Leave him alone. Lisa, you got any change at all then?
He's just practising today.
Yeah, you're practicing.
Did you get,
today.
Trish, how far did you get with that?
Hopefully, that's like Shella.
And the balls?
Right, you got 25
I brought that all the way from Italy and Trish swallowed the lot. Swallowed it, Gareth?
€25 here for your next holiday.
What pies have you got for tonight? Tomorrow?
Right,
You can see why these pair of f***ers. There's 60 odd pies there and I think they've had 42 and I've only been away for one night.
What a cracking fire that's going off tonight. Cracking fire. I've got it going now. I've just seen a crack in the fire. So the bar's all lit up. Got a floodlight on. That's so people can see. Don't trip it over or anything. A bit of music, well, the radio going. I thought I'd film it while I was speaking. Pies are on. It's so nice of the owners of Samara Caravan Park to put a free shindig on. And to bring back memories.
It does. It does.
Running a bar for the night.
I am running a bar for the night. And I'm going to run it in Trisha style as well.
Trisha style. What's George missing?
Trisha style. We've got elderberry gin. It's my first official drink of the night.
Oh, check it a little bit.
Oh, that's nice.
Hey Trish,
And the owners are here.
is it possible to have
He's just a worker, is Paul.
Trish, what about the other
Did
part?
you
We've
throw
got the
your
owner.
book on the
We've got
fire?
the owner. This is just a lucky.
To like it one of these?
Yeah, you can.
Because we only got 100 of them and you keep throwing them off fire.
What about 90 now?
I've just said to him that you throwing them off fire for.
Slow, isn't she?
There you go. How you doing? Nice to see you here tonight. Made the effort. Keep stoking the fire up.
Setting the place on fire.
Cracking fire.
Got his girly drink, his lager and black. No, John Smith's and black in it.
Just wait 1 minute. I can answer that question.
Hey Pughs on Tour YouTube family! If you're loving the content, here's a quick reminder to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Your support means the world to us.
It might be a girly drink and it might be John Smith's and black. But the favourite part of that is before it's on my cup.
Is that too much black, Paul?
It says mother to her. It's a bit like a smelt.
Oh, what do they call it? Smelts.
Smelt?
Smelts.
What's a smelt?
It's what you got pike fishing with, innit? But you get them in packs.
Have you
It
sniffed your
smells.
fingers since you've been picking them up?
Yes, it stinks.
You want to smell your breath?
Smell. Well, before the shindigs get going, I'd like to say thank you very much for
Just
tonight,
wait 1 minute.
Lisa.
Put on a fantastic.
Right, guys, if you want to find us, please view the card.
It's,
Look at the
it's in the
card.
daylight.
There you go.
I'll
It's
put it in
daylight.
description.
There you go. It's in the description. I'll put it closer. There you go. It's all
Yeah,
there.
it's
all on YouTube. We're the best YouTubers. not the Pughs.
they're planning on setting their own channel up soon.
Turn round, Lisa. Look, there's the number if you want to contact him.
I think they know where you are.
Oh, it's by me.
He's in so many videos, and if you like a seasonal pitch,
Come on, do you want a bit less like
they're full at the moment, but 2 is available soon. So you need to contact the park and get your name on the list. Only 2 left.
My bar. My tunes. It started. Mary's on the food. Mary's come right from work and she's on food. I'm covered at bar. Music everywhere, so you won't get much recording. Well, Mary. Mary's on the food. She's on the beer. I'm alright, Mel. Not tonight. Look, they're all outside watching the fireworks. Having a good time. Wave, everybody. The fires are being neglected. And then we've got all these lovely people. Wave to my camera. Right, Jill. Jill's a subscriber. They're all waving. You'll all be on YouTube next week. Crofty! We can always guarantee on Crofty, can't we? So, yeah. We're all having a good night here, guys.
Pughs on tour. Thank you for looking after the bar tonight. Thank you for looking after the fireworks. Of course, all paid by. All paid by. Samara Caravan Park. Okay, the Glasgow. All paid by Samara Caravan Park. Gareth, Trish, thank you very much. Thank you all for coming. Can you all that?
Don't touch me. So I just want to do a little shot to my customers.
What about your customer?
I'll just do a little shot to my subscribers. Love you all. Shut up, Sandra.
What was that?
Just a shot.
Tell you what.
What is it?
Just because you didn't see it, I do a second. Each snaps. Cheers.
Oh, peach snaps.
Trish, you just spilled all down your baby lubit.
Oh, no, no,
Oh, what the f***? Let me get that. Yeah.
I've got mouths as big as that.
Me and Gareth come out for a nice quiet drink tonight.
We're just
We
getting
ended up doing fireworks,
No, you can talk.
fire pits,
I ain't bothered about it all.
bar.
I just don't want the music.
All I can say is a bunch of retards turned up.
YouTube.
A lot of them.
What's he said?
He says these two turn.
Well, if you shut up, we can listen, won't we?
What, piss nuts?
No, the
Would you like a
They're
crisp?
piss nuts.
No, them.
Yeah.
He's trying to get in behind you. Put him in the video. He can see himself on YouTube.
Oh, right, okay. So, Gareth can do it.
No, these are called piss nuts. Do you know why they're called piss nuts? Because everybody goes to the
On
toilet
YouTube.
and they have nuts all over the bar.
Oh.
And they don't realise everybody goes for a piss.
Right.
Put their hands in these nuts.
So, this is...
And everybody eats them.
Excuse me.
So that's why they're called piss
One of us
nuts.
here washes their hand.
Right.
I'm glad you said one of you, because there's only one of you out of the 4 that does.
Do you know what I like about this video?
I wash my head.
Hold on.
I wash my head. I'm going in for him now.
Put it on his head. Put it on his head.
Put it on his head.
I will.
Not me.
In case you couldn't tell, I'd had a beer. I'm sorry, Lisa, about you having to clean this up tomorrow. But this is Crofty's lad, who's not allowed any more beer because his mum said no. Second, you can say fuck off all you want. I'll bleep it. And this is Teresa.
Chin chin.
Chin chin. Lisa's just come in. We're all gonna get now because Lisa's just come in.
Gonna get done.
And yes, so while we've been absolutely professionals and I'm running the bar, can I just say to all my lovely subscribers, while there's no music playing so I don't have to cut it out, I want to do a shot for you all. Give me a minute. And I took you under my armpit a minute. Wait a minute.
We've discovered this now. It's all about Trish.
Yeah, it is, because do you know why? I'm more likeable than any of you mother.
What about the rest of
So I thought I'd do a shot to you all. Say cheers. Say cheers. I'd do a shot with him, but he's not allowed because he's had too much beer. So cheers. Gareth, say cheers to our subscribers.
I think you've got some cleaning up to tomorrow.
Say cheers to the subscribers. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Cheers, Teresa. Cheers, Teresa will cheers me.
I will enjoy my nuts.
See y'all tomorrow. They can all have nuts off Crofty's head, that's fine. Lisa don't look mad at all. Lisa, say good night.
Good night.
Tell everybody goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hit the screen like a right, go on.
Anyway, so the start night was Gareth did a video walk, as you all know, around the park, and he videoed all the firework display. So Gareth insisted that he need, what was it called, Gareth? Puff.
Puff.
Poof. Are you that? Poof. Poof. Not puff. Poof. 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 Poof fireworks. So what I did is all day. Best respects to Gareth. I
This conversation's boring. I'm leaving faster than I came in.
So I served them all on the fence on behalf of Pughs on Tire. So Gareth could have his firework display.
I had a brilliant firework display. I set up, well, you set up the day before my firework display. And, you know, thank you to Samara Caravan Park for giving me $4,000.
Did you just mention Samara Caravan?
Yeah, unfortunately, yeah.
Was that on Pughs on Tire?
Who's flicking nuts at me?
That's where they're coming from.
They give me $4,000, right?
Four?
And I went $4,000.
Is that what
And I went out and spent a fortune on the fireworks.
It was a bit like sparklers.
Nobody liked them.
And his wife's chucking peanuts off it.
Yeah, I've noticed.
Will you please?
Me?
And we're here.
Lisa, what makes you think it was me?
Oh, so this is really like what's just come in now.
Oh,
After
that's it now, that's it now.
Yeah.
Turn the camera, Gareth.
Gareth has spent £4,000 on fireworks.
That's not even I don't know why you're all accusing me. Why are you all accusing me? I'm not even doing anything.
Gareth, I think your fireworks are better.
So now,
Oh, Lisa!
Fuck's sake, can you see the camera? I've had to put safety glasses on.
Gareth Gosling now.
Ah, you look like, do you know who you look like in them? You look like him off on the buses. Him with Tash, what's he called?
Fuck me, what do you look at? First Anyway, hold on. This is serious. So,
This is serious.
We've got a serious show going on here.
Sorry, I didn't realise it was serious, guys. I'll leave you alone.
I had to put Gareth's safety glasses on because he spent £4,000 on fireworks. Then for you, Gareth?
She's not really anything going on with it.
I think they were amazing, my fireworks.
It was amazing, but when you was asleep, I had to circle them all the way to the fence. All the way around. This is what I did. I walked around the fence, super glued them for him. While he was asleep, he needed his baby nap. So I super glued them all, put them all around the fence. But following on from that, so what we did is, me and Alfie set it all out, and Lisa set it all out in the field. And this bitch who's cut her hair.
You said it's a serious vlog.
She has to get involved in mine and Gareth's.
It's a serious
Video.
vlog, this, guys.
It's like bondage.
Dora.
Hold on. I can't fucking turn it on.
So, what's happened with Trisha? She wanted to...
Hey, it's a serious vlog, guys. Take it serious. With these boring chatting
Turn it off.
How the hell can me and Gareth Pugh
I don't know how to turn that
make
off.
a serious video on Pughs on tour or Samara Caravan Park or anything else, or whether it's down the road and people keep walking past and just taking the piss? So really this blog should go really top of the list, viral, and everything we do. We are serious, ain't we, Gareth? What are you laughing?
All I can say is my hand's shaking like hell, and I'm glad it's got a stabiliser on this GoPro.
Why are you nervous, Gareth?
Don't forget to flick it round to me afterwards.
Oh, I know why he's nervous. The nervousness is because he says that he spent £4,000 on some boxing.
My phone number about the 100 quid's worth.
You said 4,000.
I spent £4,000, you spent 100 quid.
Anyway, when you walked around all down Samara Caravan Park and videoed every single firework I put up.
Oh, by the way,
Sorry,
he hasn't mentioned Samara Caravan Park.
I never mentioned that.
Listen, be on your tab.
So, in the middle of the field, what I did
It's
was,
alright, Gareth.
in the middle of the field, sorry about the background noise, but this is all the people what we've got here. And they're still here, they're still drinking, they're enjoying it, they're enjoying a lovely night.
That's my video.
We set all the fireworks up, but Gareth had to have his pounds worth. It was a pound's worth, wasn't it?
Wave Alfie.
Oh, by the way, I've actually had to get paid to still drink out these pots of glasses. And the beer tastes shit. But apart from that, no, we've had a lovely night. Lisa, Alfie, Kev, Sandra. We ain't got many more guests left. We're all pissed. But apart from that, yeah, I'm the skinny guy from Benidorm.
Short, skinny guy from...
Can you bring me this? Can you bring me that? And the other thing is, they've even nicknamed me DP.
Yeah.
So, next year, guys, watch out for these posts. What we're going to do is, we've got Pughs on tour. So what we're going to do is, we're going to do our own block. It's a new adventure. Why don't you...
Vlog, your love. Vlog. It's called vlog.
Right, so we're going to do our new vlog.
Oh my god, I'm
Vlog.
Vlog. Okay. I can't pronounce it. Meaning probably, but...
Hey!
From Birmingham.
Right, okay. They've all got
We love him, really. We love you,
They
Paul.
just-
We love you, DPD, Paul.
I've rated dog.
Say, yes, Croft. This is Crofty, and
This is
this is
Crofty.
Sandra, not Denise.
Denise.
Lisa, you bitch.
Never
Just
learned.
in case you're new here, if you're one of them, because this is going to be the end of this vlog, so if you're one of them,
Used to late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drives.
Roll up to the greatest show in the world.